Hello and welcome to Voimatic. The PLC Creator is our free tool that creates a PLC from an IList. It is really powerful in a new PLC projects when you need to build your control system from scratch. In this video we will present the 7th step of creating a PLC with PLC Creator. Import into PLC Software Platform, in this instance, Siemens TIA Portal. PLC Creator supports several software platforms. This step depends on the software platform selected in the Step 3 on CPU Data page. Considering we have selected TIA Portal as a software platform, we should import the generated PLC hardware configuration into TIA Portal. On PLC Details page, click the HWConfig button to download the zip file of the generated hardware configuration. Unzip the file preferably in the separate directory. Open TIA Portal and create a new project with the same name as the PLC name from PLC Creator. On the main menu click Tools and then Import CX Data to open the File Import dialog. Point to the directory where you have unzipped the zip file and select the .aml file that contains your PLC name and click Open. TIA Portal will start with the import of the hardware configuration. Upon completion, the racks of your PLC will be shown in the Devices tab of the project tree. During the import of the hardware configuration, TIA Portal creates the tag table 1 which corresponds to the IList uploaded in the PLC generation process in PLC Creator. However, the tag comments are not part of the hardware configuration, and they shall be imported from the tag table file provided by PLC Creator in the same zip package. The comment column in tag table 1 corresponds to the description column in PLC Creator IList. To open File Import dialog for tag table file, expand the main rack group, expand the PLC tags group, and double-click Tag Table 1. Click on the Import icon to open the Import dialog. On this dialog click Browse button to open File Import dialog. Point to the directory where you have unzipped the zip file, select the .xml file that contains your PLC name, and click Open. On the Import dialog click OK to start the tags import process. Upon completion of tag comments import, they become visible in the comments column. You can scroll through Tag Table 1 to see the imported tags. You can double-click on Devices and Networks to see the PLC racks and field buses. You can further explore the modules within each rack by double-clicking the rack icon. For example, double-click Rack_Remote Cabinet 1. To see the tags associated with the I/O module, click the module, for example Slot 3, and then click the I/O tags. This is the last step of the PLC creation procedure. Your PLC hardware configuration has been created and now you can continue with the development of the business logic, according to customer control requirements. We have demonstrated how to create a complex automation system, just from the user IList, within a minute. PLC Creator is a powerful tool that can streamline your automation projects, saving your valuable time and budget.